Miss Lucky, English with Maria. How are you today? I'm making a cup of tea. It's really cold today, so I'm going to make a cup of tea. Do you have problems with do and make? When do we use do? When do we use make? I'm going to give you some examples. So first, lots of cooking is with make. Make a cup of tea, make breakfast, make dinner. I'm going to test you at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Just a minute, I'm making a call. Yes, hi. Yes, I'll be there. I'll be there at 5 o'clock. Yes, I promise. Is it make a promise or do a promise? Well, when we talk about communication, we usually use make. Make a speech, make a joke, make a phone call, make a promise. Let's see. Yes, that one's right. That one's right. Oh, wow. I'm really do well or make well? I'm doing well. With very general ideas, we usually use do. Do well, do poorly, do a good job, do a bad job, do something, do nothing. I'm making the dishes or doing the dishes? I'm doing the dishes. With lots of housework, we use do. Do the housework, do the dishes, or do the washing up. The exception is make the bed. Make the bed is the one that uses make. The others, most of the housework uses do. I'm making another phone call. Yes, yes, yes. I have decided. I want to go with you tomorrow. Now, make a decision or do a decision? Well, when we talk about plans that we make, usually it's with make. So we make a decision. We make a choice. We make a plan. Now it's time to test you. Let's see if you can guess these ones. I've got some bread. I'm going to make a sandwich or do a sandwich. Make a sandwich. Remember, food, we make food. Good. Make a sandwich. I think you should go by car. So, am I making a suggestion or doing a suggestion? Remember, with communication, it's usually make. I'm making a suggestion. Next. Oof, this exercise is really difficult. I'm doing terribly or making terribly? General. When we're talking generally, we usually use do. I'm doing terribly. Next. Okay, I'm doing terribly, so I'm just going to write down what I need to study. So I'm going to do a list or make a list. Remember, when we talk about making plans, we use make. I'm going to make a list. Okay, well, it's time for the video to end. And anyways, you know, I need to go to the grocery store. I need to buy food for lunch. You know, I'm going to do the shopping or make the shopping. Remember, housework. This is like housework. I'm going to do the shopping. Buy food for the house. Okay? Well, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like the video, like. I'm also on Facebook, and that's all. Keep practicing your English. Bye bye.